Have you ever wondered why your RSI trades fail, even when you follow all the rules? Well, in this video, I'll reveal 3 secret RSI tricks that actually work in 2025. And I promise, the last one is something you've probably never tried before. Let's dive in. Secret 1: Dynamic RSI Zones. Forget the classic 70-30 levels. In 2025, smart traders use dynamic RSI zones based on market volatility. For example, during high volatility, use 80 and 20 levels for more precise entries. In sideways or low volatility markets, 60-40 gives better signals. RSI is not fixed. Adapt it to the market for smarter trading. How to detect volatility using ATR, average true range. You don't need any complex tools to adjust your RSI dynamically. Just use the ATR 14 indicator. Here's how. First, add the ATR 14 to your chart and look at the current value. Then, compare it visually with the ATR value from 10 candles ago. Depending on the ratio between the current ATR and the ATR value from 10 candles ago, we can identify different market conditions. We'll walk through each scenario and put them into a simple table, so by the end, everything will be crystal clear. If the current ATR is significantly higher, around 130% or more, compared to the ATR value of the 10th previous candle, it means the market is highly volatile. In this case, using RSI levels like 80 and 20 can help you catch sharper entries. If the current ATR is roughly equal to the ATR value of the 10th previous candle, then you're likely in a normal trend, and the classic 70-30 RSI zones work well. But if the current ATR is lower, say, below 80% of the ATR value of the 10th previous candle, it suggests a low volatility or ranging market, where RSI levels like 60 and 40 tend to provide more reliable signals. This method gives you a fast, practical, and visual way to adjust your RSI strategy based on live market volatility. Secret 2: Hidden divergences with trend confirmation. Most traders focus only on regular divergences. But hidden divergences are where the real edge is. They signal trend continuation, not reversal, and that's a huge opportunity most traders miss. When combined with a simple moving average or parabolic SAR, hidden divergences become ultra-reliable. We actually have a separate video that breaks down all types of divergences with detailed examples and chart setups. The link is in the description, definitely check it out. Real market examples. Let's look at dollar-yen on the 1-hour chart. In an uptrend, the price makes a higher low, while the RSI prints a lower low. This is a classic bullish hidden divergence. Now notice, price is still trading above the 50-period moving average, and the parabolic SAR dots are below the candles. That confirms the uptrend, and this hidden divergence gives you a high probability long setup. Here's a sell setup example. We're looking at pound yen, 1-hour chart. In a downtrend, the price forms a lower high, while the RSI prints a higher high. This is a clear example of bearish hidden divergence. Notice that the price is still trading below the 50-period moving average, and the parabolic SAR dots are positioned above the candles. This confirms the continuation of the downtrend, and the hidden divergence provides a strong short setup. Secret 3: The hidden fuel of RSI, volume confirmation. One of the most overlooked tricks is combining RSI with volume spikes. When RSI reaches overbought or oversold levels, and volume is above average, that's your golden entry, high probability and strong momentum. So how do you define above average volume? First, add the volume indicator to your chart. Then, go to its settings, enable the moving average (MA) option, and set your desired period. When today's volume bar is clearly higher than this moving average, it indicates a volume spike. In this chart, we can see an uptrend. Near the top, RSI drops below 70, signaling a possible reversal. At the same time, volume rises above its average, adding confirmation. Soon after, a downtrend begins. These are the RSI secrets pro traders won't tell you, but now you know. So don't just watch, use them. And if you got value, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff strategies, and drop a comment telling me which secret blew your mind. Crush the charts, and as always, happy trading!